Hello, guys. Okay, here I have a mini computer, guys. This is a mini PC. I'm laughing because check here, check the mouse, check the mouse. It's almost the same size as the computer itself, as a desktop itself. And now I wanna laugh one way. Look at the hard drive. Check the hard drive, the laptop hard drive. It's almost the same size as the computer itself, guys. This is this is so fun and so unbelievable. Yeah. The HDMI is connected here, and my mouse is connected there. And check the mouse as well. The mouse is almost the same size as the PC, and the hard drive as well is almost the same size as the computer itself. This is so fun. Even my hand is bigger than this PC, guys. Yeah. Anyway, yeah, boo. Let me show you. It's on. It's even running. It's running, guys. Let me show you. There we are. Let's sign in. Okay, we are in. Hi, boo. Let's play. Okay. I guess my friend was watching a movie. This PC belongs to my friend. Before it died, he was watching a movie, and now we are continuing where he left. Okay, see there. Hi boo. Anyway, this is my friend's PC. It's nice. I have to take this PC from him. I have to buy this PC. I'll try by all means to convince him to sell me this PC. Okay, let's go ahead. Let's observe this PC again. check the a mini PC. It's running. Anyway, yeah. Danke.